back to my channel, 20BLV Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. I don't know why I do that. I just do. Okay, guys. It came. I will tell you, I'm going to unbox the all-new, just released, yes, Coach Buy Now Cash and Carry. It might be called the Coach Cash and Carry Buy Now 22 Tote. I have to tell you, I'm going to post the video of me actually, it's not a true unboxing. I sort of wrapped it back up and put it back in the box, but I looked at it, I took a peek. Oh, I'm going to show you that video if you haven't seen it already on Instagram. I'm going to put that at the end of the video. You know how I like to put my little stuff at the end. Guys, I have been a big fool for, I know I'm going to chat for a second, but I'm cooking dinner, so it won't take me long. I have been a big fool about the Fendi Sunshine Shopper Tote, which is hard to say, but a beautiful bag. Maybe I'll put a picture up here for you, but they make it in a little bitty one, kind of like the little petite sac plat from Louis Vuitton. And they also make it in a medium and in a large size. And I love all of those, and I love it in this brown color, and I would really love to have it. I think the small one's $17.95, then it goes up to like $2 grand, $3 grand, and then to $35. She's not trying that, y'all know. These last two big bags should be it for me as far as huge purchases go this year. But anyway, I saw this, of course, Autumn. She sent it to me in a text, and I was like, yep, that's it. I've got to have it. So anyway, I'm sort of into totes right now. I'm into everything, unfortunately, but yeah. Okay, let me do it because, okay, I think something's burning. I kind of smell, and nobody's here, so I hope my stuffed peppers aren't on fire. But check it out. Here's how it came. This, as soon as Autumn showed it to me, I'm pretty sure that's where I figured it out. Yeah, Autumn showed it, and then I was like, what? You know me. And I just flew over there, and I was like, I have to have it. I have to have it. And I was returning. It was that same, when I decided to do the Basquiat, and I returned several items, and I was like, that adds up to exactly how much I'm returning. Like, it came out almost to the penny of what I returned and what this cost. So I was pretty happy about that. But yeah, something had to go. I couldn't do all of them, and I wasn't, you know, from the video of the Basquiat and Coach Outlet, I wasn't like, oh yeah, I love it, I have to have. So anyway, it came a little nicely wrapped, a little nicer wrapped than what it is now, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I took it out and peeked at it for 1 second, but I didn't get to like really fully enjoy it. So guys, oh, I'm so excited. And this thing sold out in this color like that. Yes, girl. Here she is. Oh my gosh, she smells so good. She is, or is that my dinner on fire? It all smells so great. But look at her. Oh my gosh, the Autumn Shuffle or Spin. What? I'm crazy about this. And the color, it just reminds me, it's not the exact shade of that Sunshine Shopper Tote that I wanted, but it's along the same lines. You know, that the Shopper Tote thing has Fendi like burnt into the leather right here. And this is just really embossed in there. Made in New York, Coach leatherware, and then it even has from materials that were imported or imported, comma, our compliance team wants you to know, no shame in being honest, right? Thank you and have a nice day. So that's all embossed right here on the front. And then it does have feet, and then it has the little trademark Original glove tanned leather, stamped in gold leaf on the bottom. Oh my gosh. This bag retailed for $4.95. So it was up there. I mean, it just turned out that it happened to be exactly what I returned, the same amount. So, we were good. I was happy about that. I was out the initial investment, but since I wasn't keeping that other stuff, I was like, yeah. Okay, so this is not, Autumn put this in her roast video. These aren't, they're too thin. It's like a little thin, like spaghetti strap on a dress or something. It's just too, that's not substantial enough for this bag. That is my one and only, hopefully, complaint with the bag is this. But girl, I don't know if you saw it. It comes with a guitar strap, which, what? Yeah. And this is a nice one, too. Let me put the bag down. Ooh, yeah, this is a nice one. Kind of a, in that buttercup. Isn't that what they're releasing now? Buttercup orange. It's kind of got a little bit of a goldish, kind of orangey tint. Orangey skies. Always with some other guy. You guys into the Cars? Okay. I would never know that song except for my husband. He was a huge Cars fan. Look at this thing. It is gorgeous. It's got the accompanying leather here and here. And then, this thing. And it has the Coach written. Oh, yeah. Gold. Hardware. I do love it. I can't lie. I love this. But these. I agree with Autumn on that. It should be more substantial, or you should be able to easily shove them down in here and hide them out of view and use this strap, right? Like, but you can't because they bounce back up. They come back. So, I mean, I still love the tote. I think that was a design flaw big time in this bag. Everything else is a 10 of 10 on it. But yeah, if I'm being honest, it's not going to make me return the bag. I would never return this bag because it's, oh God, it's so gorgeous. I think my landline's ringing. It's either that or the smoke detector. Yeah, I should probably go check that, guys. I'm probably going to have to. Anyway, yeah, I keep hearing a ringing. I think my smoke detector's louder than that, though. Okay. We're okay. We're okay, guys. So it does have the little hang taggy thing, and it's got inside, it's got this little magnet, but if I'm trying to close this, it's not staying. Is that another design flaw? Look. Yeah, it's, okay, so it does stick, but boom, it's too, I guess you would have to like really smush this bag together and carry it. Yeah, you'd have to carry it with those. But that doesn't work, guys. This doesn't, the little magnet thing's not, it's not working. Okay, so there's a couple of design flaws in this bag. The look of this bag, though, is giving me c'est magnifique. I love the look of this bag. I'm unwrapping it all because I'm not sending her back. This thing's sold out, and I don't know. I just love the look of it, and I love the guitar strap moment. Yeah, you know I'm a big girl. I gotta have this. I gotta have it. She gotta open up. But inside, girl, it's all leather inside. It's like a darker brown leather inside, and there's one card pocket here, and then there is a zippered pocket here, and then it has the Coach thingy-doog, the statement there. What do they call that? Ugh, I'm losing my mind. It's so pretty, but this is not functional as far as the little, it's not, girl, she's not working. Am I doing it right? Like, Is it just a flaw in the bag, like the design again, or what? It's a strong magnet, but it goes together and then it doesn't. Oh well. So yeah, those are some things to be concerned with when you're buying the bag. That might stop you. Now I know Louis Vuitton is doing this thing on all their straps now where they put a little, I saw somebody unboxing a new Odeon or something. I don't know, but from Louis Vuitton. And then for some strange reason it had a, you know, like they do on the pochette, on the multi-pochette Matisse, accessoire or whatever. There's a little, you know, for the change purse thing, but they didn't do that on this, thankfully, because I don't need that in my life. Okay, girl, let me see. Ooh, she hits me in the right spot. So I am going to have a play around with this.
I need to have a play with it.
I will carry it. I was very excited to get this, and now a couple of things are like, what the heck? But this is bothering me. It just is. I don't know. All right, comment down below. Would that bother you, these things and this? I just don't know. I love the bag. I love the look of it. I love the strap that matches. I love how it looks on me. I will keep the bag, but this is just a... what are you doing? Guys, no. Not functional. And these. No, again. So anyway, I just wanted to come on and unbox this little beauty, show it to you guys. I haven't seen a whole lot of people unboxing it yet. Doesn't mean they won't, but they had 4 different colors. Like an orangey peach color. I want to say like a purple and then a pinky one. Okay, no, they had that buttercup, right? No. Okay, I don't know. But they did have 4 different colors. I just fell in love with this one and was like, yes, she has to have this. So anyway, tell me what you think. Is this like a bridge too far for you guys too? Like this stupid thing? What the hell? Please subscribe and hit like, and I will be back here with another collab on Saturday, coming up this Saturday. So definitely join me and Devin, me and Autumn, me and Winnie. Okay, I don't know why I said me and. Okay, so join me, join Autumn, join Devin, join Winnie, all 4 of us with our husbands and others. What? I know, it's going to be so good. I've told you too much already. Have a great day, and listen, if y'all see my husband though, ooh, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Oh my gosh. Yeah, girl, get excited with Daddy. Okay. Holy shit balls. Oh my god, this bag is so gorgeous! I love it!